another guest to join me here in the announcer tent. And it looks like it's Johnny 5 coming in, all the way from Texas, hanging out with us this week. And what was it, a year and a half ago at Mayhem, you interviewed me. Now we're a year and a half later, and I get to interview you. Welcome to I.O. You got to be having a great week this week.
It's been an awesome week. We've had good weather except for last night. Carrying on with the big drawing race this evening. We got the Spill the Tea crew all here, and Roar and Ramon are both going to be fighting it out to see if they can take a podium spot for the night spot crew. Since we fly at night almost every single week, does that give them use an advantage over the people that maybe used to fly during the day?
And you guys fly mostly around Houston, right?
Yes, we're pretty much in the Houston area, but these guys travel all across the country to go to different races, and we travel to other countries as well, but every week we're in this part of Carson Hill and the Houston Night Spot. But right now we're here in Muncie, Indiana, the AMA headquarters, all the way to Indianapolis, and we're going to see who is going to be the fastest pilot. We got some pretty heavy hitters coming in tonight as well.
Yeah, it's going to be a good one, and I'm always a big fan. I'd seen a little bit of the Spill the Tea podcast. The one time I was tagged, I was in the UAE about a month and a half ago, and all of a sudden I'm watching almost the same thing. You guys had a watch party, and so after the race, because there's no nightlife in Sharjah, I watched the entire watch party of the race that we just ran, and it was super entertaining. You guys must have a lot of fun doing that. We got to do that more.
Yes. First of all, the Sharjah race was one of the most entertaining gun racing events, probably the most entertaining gun racing event that I've seen live ever. I was incredibly impressed how much everything was pulled off, all the stops. I've been to a DRL race, which was awesome, but sometimes the broadcast just doesn't quite convey what it's like to be at a race. And this one, I got the right to watch the entire thing, and sometimes I watch.
Pilots on the clocks. Live on time in less than 5. There's a go turn, all four up at the exact same time. Looks like Mr. Chelsea is your early leader. Western. Third.